Sciatic nerve of the external rotators. It's probably the most common place that the sciatic nerve gets entrapped outside of the low back and the lumbar spine, going all the way down to the foot. Butt pain is extremely common. The sciatic nerve is one of the most common entrapment sites for the sciatic nerve, so this is a super big deal. From a location perspective, people might have symptoms right where the sciatic nerve is located, but it could also be going down the posterior thigh. This is a very common place that people would have location of symptoms if this spot is entrapped. Posterior knee, back of the calf, front of the shin, top of the foot, bottom of the foot, that could all be a sciatic nerve entrapment right here. The lower it goes below the knee, the more likely the entrapment site is going to be in the hamstring and the posterior knee or following that location of symptoms. Really quickly, here's a quick diagram of the pelvis. The sciatic nerve is right there and it comes out from underneath the piriformis. It's behind the greater trochanter and it's just medial to the ischial tube, the sit bone right there. So I'm going to show you how we find it. Here's the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve is as thick as my pinky. It's basically the biggest nerve in the entire body. I'm trying to feel this dense noodle right in this spot. This is how thick it is. And it comes down this way. Piriformis is right here. That is how thick it is. It's underneath glute max. So I'm pushing through slowly glute max and I'm waiting until I feel this dense noodle. Because if I'm right here, I'm not feeling a dense noodle. She has some hypertonicity. The external rotators deep to glute max have some extra tone in them, like you're contracting a little bit. But this is not the nerve, this is. I'm sinking my finger in at this angle so I don't pull skin. I'm not going straight down, I'm not going horizontal. I'm going at this angle. Can you get this angle, Greg? This angle, perpendicular to the tissue. So I'm going perpendicular to the skin, then perpendicular to the nerve. So I'm sinking in down this way. Now I'm taking a bow this way into the nerve. Right now I don't like that. I don't know if it's adhesed or irritated, but I'm going to keep coming up just around this nerve and I'm pushing it down. So she's got a bunch of spots that are adhesed and glued down. So I could actually feel the dense, gluey fibrousness of the adhesion in this spot. And a lot of this just isn't bowing. Where I would probably start would be right here. I know this is not bowing. I know this is an entrapment site. This will 100% overload her sciatic nerve and cause issues because you stretch any nerve more than 7% and loses blood flow, and your body will protect that from happening by keeping muscles tight around it so it keeps things short. So we're going to treat this. I'm going to go in like this, and then I'm going to take a tension set into the nerve in the direction it doesn't want to go so that the nerve has to slide around the fulcrum point of my finger. So my depth is going to be like this, and my tension set, if the nerve's going like this, I'm going to take a tension set like that until I feel a lot of pushback. I want the nerve pushing back against my finger, and I want the shortest distance for that pushback. So here's my depth. And to get tension set on her, instead of going this way, I'm actually going deep. I'm going in like this because that's where I feel it push back a lot. Go ahead, James. As soon as James starts moving, enormous tension underneath my finger because this adhesion's really bad. And now I'm fighting it with my body. I'm planked out, my right toes. I'm pushing off my right toes. And I'm leaning my body weight to the left towards the door right in front of me that way. My right shoulder and elbow are isometric. My right tricep is activated. Good, come on back. So right from doing that, this is already bowing easier. And that's what one good treatment pass will do. So now right underneath the piriformis, I'm going to do one more. So I'm taking my depth at this angle here. I'm right next to the nerve. Now I'm pushing down into the nerve. I feel tension. I'm not sliding on the skin. I'm just tearing the adhesion under my finger. Good. And then as always, I recheck in that spot, and this is much softer. And even the spots that are lower that weren't bowing are now bowing better. How does this feel to you?
It's definitely less sensitive.
Less sensitive.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good sign that you know it's working.